everyone, I'm back, and as you can see, I ended up using perm rods, flexi rods, and even a few pipe cleaners in the front. Let me rewind. If you saw my previous video, I did a live video where I was asking you guys what form of curls should I do. Should I use the perm rods, flexi rods, or pipe cleaners? And I ended up intending on using pipe cleaners, but I ended up running out of pipe cleaners. I had found some more in my house, but it wasn't enough because I was trying to do 1 lock per pipe cleaner, 1 lock per perm rod, and I just didn't have enough. My perm rods are really old and they break, you know. As you can see, this one right here, it's broken. It broke in my hair, so that happens a lot. So I do end up, you know, losing perm rods, so I do need to get some new ones. Anywho, yeah, so I ended up making a combination of curls. It is what it is. So my scalp really wants to be massaged and oiled, so I'm really looking forward to taking these curls down. I put them in on Sunday. I definitely had to do what I had to do. I was definitely doing some errands with my hair like this. Yeah. Wow, I had them in for a very long time. I don't know why I kept them in so long, but I'm taking them down now. I have somewhere to go tonight, and I just really want to massage my scalp, so I'm gonna take them down now. So stay tuned if you want to see the results. It just amazes me how I can get my locks this short. Oh my gosh, so cute. You know, my locks are down to my tailbone, so this is like impressive to me. So yay, this curl set was a success, even though I had to use 3 different types of rollers. I'm very happy. So follow me on Instagram to see how long they last, see how they look as they drop. Thanks for watching.